If you are preparing for CSIT entrance and you are feeling overwhelmed because everyone around you is giving different advice, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to share what exactly you should study, which subjects and topic matters the most, how many mock tests you should give, the common mistakes students generally do, and the roadmap I would personally recommend. म हजुरलाई मेरो रियल एक्सपिरियन्सबाट सेयर गर्नेछु कुन टपिक्सहरू बढी इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ, कुन टपिक्स कम्पेरेटिभली लेस इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ, कति टाइम डेडिकेसन गरेर प्रिपरेसन गर्नुपर्छ। इफ आइ एम अबाउट टु हेभ इन्ट्रान्स एक्जाम र मसँग चाहिँ थोरै दिनहरू मात्र बाँकी छ भने म कसरी एक्ज्याक्टली प्रिपेयर गर्थेँ। द गोल इज सिम्पल, लिमिटेड टाइममा म्याक्सिमम प्रिपरेसन कसरी गर्ने, गुड ऱ्याङ्क कसरी ल्याउने र अल्टिमेटली राम्रो ऱ्याङ्क ल्याएर राम्रो कलेजमा एडमिसन कसरी गर्ने। इफ यु आर समवन हु इज सिरियस अबाउट क्रैकिङ द CSIT entrance this year, make sure to watch this video till the end because I genuinely wish someone has told me these things earlier when I was preparing. Before you even open a book, the first thing you should understand is where the marks are actually coming from. One of the biggest mistakes students make is they'll try to start the preparation randomly. कसैलाई लाग्छ म्याथमा मात्र बढी फोकस गर्नुपर्छ, कसैलाई लाग्छ फिजिक्समा मात्रै बढी फोकस गरेर बढी टाइम डेडिकेट गर्नुपर्छ। But the truth is, entrance preparation should always start with understanding the pattern first. Chapter 1. Understand the exam first. Before preparing, understand where the marks come from. Math only comes from class 11, so if you know few calculator tricks, concepts and formula and have actually revised and done preparation decently, it alone can help you get higher marks. Prioritize your goal accordingly. प्रिपरेसन कसरी गर्ने भन्ने कन्फ्युजन सबैलाई हुन्छ। सबभन्दा पहिला सिलेबस र प्रिभियस इयर क्वेसन्सहरू एनालाइज गरेर कुन टपिक्सबाट बढी क्वेसन सोधिन्छ र कुन टपिकलाई बढी प्रायोरिटाइज गर्यो भने आफ्नो ओभरअल र्याङ्क इन्क्रिज हुन्छ, त्यो सबै कुरा राम्रोसँग एनालाइज गरेर स्ट्राटेजी बनाउन एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ। आई अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड स्टुडेन्ट्स भएर यस्तो थट्स आउन नर्मल हो। मेरो र्याङ्क कम आयो भने मैले के गर्ने, मलाई कसरी नै गभर्मेन्ट कलेज नै पढ्न छ, मैले कुन कलेज चुज गर्दा चाहिँ बेटर हुन्छ। तर यस्तो सेल्फ डाउटले तिमीलाई बेटर बनाउँदैन। तिमीले फोकस गर्ने भनेको एक्सनमा हो। एफिसिएन्टली पढ्ने, रेगुलर मक टेस्ट दिने, मिस्टेक्स एनालाइज गर्ने र कन्टिन्युअस रिभिजन गर्ने। फोकस अन द प्रोसेस एन्ड द रिजल्ट विल ग्रेजुअली फलो। बाई द वे, इफ यु आर कन्फ्युज अबाउट वेयर टु स्टार्ट, नोट्स कहाँबाट लिने, प्रिपरेसन कसरी गर्ने, प्रिभियस इयर क्वेसन, मेन्टरसिप, गाइडेन्स एन्ड इभन विच कलेज यु शुड चुज आफ्टर द इन्ट्रान्स, देन डेफिनेटली चेक हाम्रो CSIT. Amra CSIT is a student-focused platform and community where you will find entrance resources, guidance, experience from actual CSIT students to structured video lesson, MCQ, previous year questions and much more all in one place. Honestly, when I was preparing, the biggest mistake wasn't studying itself. It was knowing what to study and where to start. So if you want to study smartly rather than randomly, then make sure to sign up on hamracsit.com. And don't forget to check out hamranotes.com where you can find detailed explanations and video solutions of questions you are confused about. You can simply scan the QR code shown on the screen or check the link in the description below. Trust me, having the right guidance and resources can save you a lot of time and make your preparation much more effective. Chapter 2. Build strong fundamentals. Students often ask, कुन बुक पढ्ने, कुन इन्स्टिट्युटबाट प्रिपरेसन गर्दा मार्क्स आउँछ, कुन नोट्सबाट पढ्नु। You don't need 20 different books and 100 of notes. CSIT entrance syllabus itself is enough if you study properly. You don't need more resources, you need more clarity, consistency and smart preparation. Syllabus link is in description. Mathematics alone is one of the highest weighted subject carrying 25 marks just from class 11. So if you study properly, it alone can help you get a lot of marks. Question from set appear every year. Focus on union, intersection, complement and De Morgan law. These are usually direct questions and can give you easy marks. Logic is another highly scoring chapter. Focus on statement, truth table, contradiction and tautology. Questions from this chapter are frequently repeated. In function, understand the concepts clearly. Domain, range, type of functions. Questions are generally conceptual rather than difficult. Domain and range ko question every year आइरहेको हुन्छ. Algebra is one of the most important chapter because on sequence and series, permutation and combination, binomial theorem. Mostly students will skip this topic because it feels difficult. Don't do that mistakes and learn every concepts properly. Focus on straight line, circle and parabola and practice enough numerical problems. In trigonometry, don't memorize formula randomly. Instead, focus on learning identities, practice transformation and learn important standard values. Calculus chapter scares almost everyone, but questions are usually basic. Please focus on limit, differentiation, application of derivatives, and basic integration. Probability of very scoring chapter. Practice as many questions as possible because exam patterns are mostly similar. Learn calculator tricks to check your answer and make a formula sheet to revise to ace your preparation. We have another scoring subject which is physics, which require conceptual understanding rather than pure memorization. Focus on these huge physics topics which is mechanics, electricity, modern physics and optics. म चाहिँ यहाँ स्क्रिनमा मेन्सन गरिदिन्छु के कुराहरू चाहिँ प्रिपरेसन गर्दा बेटर हुन्छ भनेर, so you can prepare accordingly. Another small tip which I would like to give you is please create a formula sheet. Physics my revision is everything, so if you have revised properly, so conceptual topic regularly, this 25 marks can become your strongest section. Many students ignore chemistry, but it carries the same marks as physics and generally easier to get marks if you study smartly. Focus on organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. You should focus on numerical based concept, periodic table and chemical bonding theory. And chemistry is actually a high scoring subject cause many questions are direct and theory based. Another subject is English. 11-12 मा English लाई neglect गरे जस्तै entrance preparation मा चाहिँ गर्ने हैन, cause I have seen many students including my friends who used to ignore English till the very end. But remember 15 marks is used. Physics, chemistry र math मा सबैको similar marks नै आउँछ, but English might be the differentiating factor for getting you a higher rank. Focus on these topics 20 to 30 minutes daily for practicing English. Even improving by 5 or 7 marks can create a huge differences in ranking. And the last subject asked in CSIT entrance is General IT. Focus on these topics. I will give you a simple strategy that I also followed for practicing General IT is please practice 300 or 500 MCQ questions from website or question bank. Question asked in General IT is usually repetitive. And if you have prepared 300 to 500 questions, that is more than enough to get a scoring marks in General IT. If I was preparing in very short time, I would focus on these subjects more. यसबाट नै 75 marks को question आउँछ. Don't neglect English and General IT while focusing only these subjects. This can be the differentiating factor आफ्नो rank माथि ल्याउनको लागि. You need to study everything equally and study strategically instead. Focus on high weighted subjects, solve previous year questions, give test, analyze mistakes and learn continuously. Remember, rank does not improve by worrying about rank. It improves when you learn continuously and revise consistently. Chapter 3. How to prepare in limited time. Don't try to master every chapter. Please focus on high weighted chapters and frequently asked questions more. This is probably why most of you click this video किनभने अब 2 हप्ता पनि बाँकी छैन. First thing I would tell you is to understand the concept first and build a strong foundation there before your mock test. अहिलेसम्म जति प्रिपरेसन गर्नुभयो तर एकदम राम्रोसँग चाहिँ फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, म्याथ, इङ्ग्लिस सबैको कन्सेप्ट्सहरू अनि जे कुराहरू अगाडि पढेको छ त्यो सबै कुराहरू चाहिँ कन्सेप्चुअली रिभाइज गर्ने. आज मैले म्याथलाई चाहिँ अलिकति बढी टाइम दिन्थेँ 2.5 आवर to 3 आवर इच अफ इट, अनि केमिस्ट्रीलाई 2 आवर एन्ड आइटी र इङ्ग्लिसको लागि 1 or 1.5 आवर आई वुड गिभ एन्ड प्र्याक्टिस सबै कन्सेप्ट्सहरू चाहिँ बिफोर जम्पिङ टु मक टेस्ट. फ्रेसली मेरो माइन्डमा चाहिँ सबै कुरा आएको हुन्छ, सो त्यसपछि चाहिँ आई वुड फोकस अन सल्भिङ मक टेस्ट मोर र कन्सेप्ट बिल्ड गर्ने. र मोस्टली स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूको ऱ्याङ्क कम आउँछ किनभने कन्सेप्टै बिल्ड नगरी चाहिँ एमसिक्यूहरू स्टार्ट गर्नुहुन्छ. सो डोन्ट डु द्याट मिस्टेक. राम्रोसँग चाहिँ कन्सेप्ट बिल्ड भएपछि चाहिँ मक टेस्ट दिन थाल्छौँ विदाउट सिइङ एनिथिङ. आफूले चाहिँ 2 आवर्स बसेर मक टेस्ट दिने र त्यसमा चाहिँ के क्वेसन्सहरू राइट भयो र मेरो कुन टपिक्सहरू चाहिँ स्ट्रङ छ र मेरो कुन टपिक्स चाहिँ विक छ र विक टपिक्सलाई चाहिँ मैले कसरी राम्रोसँग रिभाइज गरेर एनालाइज गरेर चाहिँ बेटर बनाउन सक्छु. सो त्यसरी चाहिँ कन्टिन्युसली मक टेस्टहरू दिएर चाहिँ आफूलाई इम्प्रुभ गर्ने र मिस्टेक्सहरूलाई चाहिँ एनालाइज गर्ने. मैले चाहिँ के गर्थेँ भन्दा एउटा मेरो सेपरेट कपी हुन्थ्यो जसमा चाहिँ मैले जे कुराहरू चाहिँ मिस्टेक गरेको थिएँ त्यो सबै कुराहरू चाहिँ त्यो कपीमा राख्थेँ. आई वुड रिभाइज इट एभ्री सिङ्गल डे. सो इज अ रियली हेल्पफुल टिप जुन हजुरले फलो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ मिस्टेक्सहरूलाई चाहिँ रिपिट नगर्नको लागि एन्ड आफ्नो स्कोर्स चाहिँ इम्प्रुभ गर्नको लागि. हजुरसँग चाहिँ एकदमै थोरै टाइम बाँकी छ भने चाहिँ प्लिज डोन्ट ट्राई टु लर्न न्यू थिङ्स जुन अहिलेसम्म पढ्नु भएको छैन. अहिलेसम्म जे प्रिपरेसन गर्नुभएको छ जति एमसिक्यू एन्ड पास्ट इयर क्वेसन हेर्नुभएको छ द्याट सुड बी मोर देन इनफ फर यु टु रिभाइज. किनभने नयाँ टपिक्स हेऱ्यो भने प्रिभियस बिर्सिन्छ, कन्फ्युज र एङ्सियसनेस फिल हुन्छ. के नयाँ कुरा नपढी प्रपरली जे अलरेडी पढ्नु भएको छ त्यो कुराहरू चाहिँ रिभाइज गर्नुहोस् सो द्याट यु वन्ट फिल एङ्सियसनेस जस्ट बिफोर योर एक्जाम. Solve past year questions. CSIT entrance questions are actually very pattern based. Math and physics concepts repeat almost every year and at least 5 or 10 years को past year question, and you will notice सबै कुराहरु चाहिँ repetitive हुन्छ. Like you will see same pattern, same concept, just different questions. Solve at least 5 to 10 years को past year question र कसरी खोज्ने भन्ने hassle feel भइरहेछ भने just go to hamrocsit.com र त्यहाँ गएर राम्रोसँग past year questions हेर्नुस् र त्यही solve गर्नुस्. You will notice pattern repeat, questions repeat and concept repeat, and the exam is more predictable than students think. Chapter 5 practice more mock test. मैले अगाडि नै भनिसके 5 to 10 years को क्वेशन्सहरु चाहिँ राम्रोसँग प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुस्, एनालाइज गर्नुस्. त्यो क्वेशनमा के मिस्टेक छ र कसरी त्यो सेम मिस्टेकलाई चाहिँ फ्युचरमा रिपिट नगर्ने त्यो कुराहरु फोकस गरेर प्रपरली प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुस्. Chapter 5 mistakes to avoid. You might be only watching YouTube video, watching lectures and attending classes which you might feel productive, but learning happens only when you start practicing questions. And the another thing is over collecting resources. Mostly students have 40 PDF, 10 book, Telegram group and they study nothing. Mock testहरु पनि barely दिने र आफ्नो प्रिपरेसन आफ्नो साथीहरुकै अरुसँग कम्पेयर गर्ने. You should clearly stop doing this. Someone might tell you I have already completed my syllabus or I have not even started my preparation yet, but these are the noise you should ignore. Everyone will lie during entrance season and you should focus on your preparation instead. Another problem is studying without a plan. एक दिन फिजिक्स पढ्ने, एक दिन केमिस्ट्री, त्यसपछि युट्युबमा जाने, इन्स्टाग्राममा जाने अनि रिल्स स्क्रोल गर्ने. This is not how you should start a preparation. Make a proper timetable or the topics you want to cover in a day and focus on getting those things done instead. Chapter 6, which is also one of my favorite, is personal advice. As someone who is studying CSIT in Patan multiple campus, the thing I asked a few of my classmates is that preparation गर्दा कति र्याङ्क आयो यो सबै कुराहरु सोधे. प्रोतेस कसैले एकदमै ढिलो प्रिपरेसन स्टार्ट गरेको थियो, कसैले सुरुमै स्टार्ट गरे पनि एकदमै फोकस्ड भएर चाहिँ लास्ट 1 week or last 2 weeks मा चाहिँ एकदमै सिरियस भएर प्रिपरेसन गरेको थियो. And this is the reality how many students are preparing. So please stop thinking मैले लेट प्रिपरेसन स्टार्ट गरे भनेर. धेरैजना स्टुडेन्टले चाहिँ प्रिपरेसन गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ बडी प्यानिक गरेर आफ्नो एक्जाम बिगाड्नुहुन्छ. So if you avoid these things then you are already ahead than most of the people. How to study 2 days and self preparation जस्तो लाग्यो भने I'm sorry to burst your bubble, तर only way you should get a higher marks and nothing else. Please minimize your resources and don't overcomplicate your preparation किनभने हजुरलाई नै गाह्रो हुन्छ धेरै कुराहरुबाट एकैचोटी पढ्दाखेरि. So some minimal resources follow गरेर प्रिपरेसन गर्नु is the smartest approach you can follow. As you can see हाम्रो CSIT for entrance preparation structured video note, previous year question, entrance MCQ and revise from there. जहाँबाट हजुरले चाहिँ लेस टाइममा राम्रो प्रिपरेसन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. CSIT entrance is not about who studied the most, it studies the smartest. Even if you have only 2 weeks left or even 1 week left, it's never too late. यदि अहिलेसम्म पनि राम्रो प्रिपरेसन छैन भने अबबाट राम्ररी प्रिपेयर गर्नुस्. You can still get higher marks and you can still get good college. Please start today, one day at a time. अलिअलि मक टेस्ट दिने, अलिअलि प्रिपरेसन गर्ने and do proper revision and your future will thank you. राम्रोसँग प्रिपरेसन गर्न छ भने do check out हाम्रो CSIT and study from there completely free. As a CSIT student myself, I highly recommend this platform because it makes preparation much easier and more efficient. You'll get structured note, video solution, past year question, MCQ and all the resources, everything in one place, and the best part is it's completely free. If you want to score better in less time, definitely give हाम्रो CSIT a try. Link is in the description. Entrance पछि कुन र्याङ्कले कुन कलेज पढ्ने past year को डेटा अनुसार राम्रोसँग बुझ्न मन छ भने please contact हाम्रो CSIT in WhatsApp. And if you found this video helpful, then please share with your friends who are preparing for CSIT entrance. Make sure to check out my Instagram and TikTok where I regularly share short form content, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.